The 20th century marked the rise of our materialistic civilization. Mass production, mass consumption, mass disposal. Vast quantities of manufactured goods gave millions of people access to a modern way of life. But this came at a cost: depletion of natural resources, environmental damage, and more. In the 21st century, we must decide what type of legacy we want to leave to our descendants. Today, Japan's government and private sector are joining forces once again, assembling technologies that will give society a sustainable future. This is Echo Town in the city of Kitakyushu, home to the largest wind power facility in Western Japan. The wind farm symbolizes the Echo Town project's effort to demonstrate the sustainable use of resources. The winds of social change are making these turbines spin. The Echo Town project was set up in 1997 as a joint effort by MITI and Japan's Environment Agency. The concept called for creating a zero-emission community. The zero-emission concept involves reusing the waste output of one industry as the raw material of another, thereby eliminating waste altogether. For many years, Kitakyushu was a prosperous steel-making town that helped propel Japan during the high-growth era. But the city paid a high price. Many of its citizens suffered from the effects of pollution. The harbour became so polluted no fish could live there. Now the once polluted city is coming to life again as an eco town.
地方として取り組むには物の処理ではなくて産業として育てようというのが基本ですから、産業として育てるための勉強を始めたわけですよ。
The Echo Town concept is composed of three main sectors. The Kitakyushu Science and Research Park brings together 7 universities to conduct cutting-edge environmental research. The practical research sector takes the innovative technologies created by the research park and helps to commercialize them. The comprehensive environmental complex includes 6 plants recycling a wide variety of products, from PET bottles to electrical appliances and cars. At this testing facility, new plastics are being developed. Conventional plastics are made from petroleum byproducts. Here, scientists are trying to make it from organic waste instead. Japan currently produces 14 million tons of plastic each year. Discarded plastic can either be burned or buried in landfills. But buried plastic doesn't break down. It stays in the ground in the same form indefinitely. The solution to that problem could be plastics made from biodegradable organic waste. First, lactic acid bacteria are added to rubbish. Lactic acid is created as organic waste breaks down. Then, when heat and pressure are applied to it, it forms a plastic. One problem right now is that it costs twice as much to make as other plastics. But when it's buried in a landfill, this plastic is biodegradable because it's made from organic waste.
1年ぐらい経ってくると見つけれないんですけど、こんな感じで劣化して脆くなってしまいました。 で分解が進んでいるので土にこういう感じで戻っていく。
The technology used to recycle cars at this plant is the most advanced in the world. 5 million cars are scrapped in Japan each year, but there are not enough scrapyards to process them all. Reducing waste to zero, making the impossible possible. That's what this plant does. The secret is extremely careful disassembly and sorting of materials. Steel, aluminium, copper, lead, plastic, rubber, glass. Each material is saved to be used as a new resource. At most scrapyards, the hulk that's left over is shredded and disposed of, but not here. Because this hulk has been painstakingly stripped down, including the wiring, all that's left is steel. The scrap is taken to a steel mill next to Echo Town. There it goes into a rotary kiln that's used to make new steel. Scrapped cars usually contain various metals, so they can't easily be turned into high-purity steel. But at this remarkable mill, the output can be used to make new cars, which will in turn be scrapped and returned to the mill again. That's how a zero-waste, sustainable society works.
いわゆる循環型と言いますけどですね、あれは地球全体循環するっていう話だけど、北九州の中で循環するんですね。消費の最大である車と家庭電球で、その後いわゆる OA 機器が出てきますね。これをぐるぐる回していくと資源問題もかなり楽になるし、廃棄物問題も楽になるしと。
The world's economic system still depends on limited resources, but efforts like those in Kitakyushu suggest there's a new way to build a new kind of future.
今日私たちは今紹介しました環境問題や急速な少子高齢化といった全く新しい課題に直面しております。21世紀の日本はこれらの問題を解決するために経済大国日本の次世代モデルとでも言うべきものに果敢に挑戦しなければなりません。